Hello, everyone. This is Pierre Plourde, principal at Hanwell Park Academy. And this is the video for August 10th. It's actually a very important video today because we will focus on our opening day schedules. And there's a few changes in there, and we would like to give everyone a heads up about these changes. First off, the week of August 29th to September 2nd, 2022, we are rescheduling our community open house. So please stay tuned for the date and time. So on September 1st is not where we're going to have our community open house. We will have it at a later date and time. As a matter of fact, it might even be even better because at that point, we might actually have students being able to do some of the tours by that point in time. So please stay tuned in a later video where I will share more information on our community open house. Also, during that week, all families will be contacted by the school. We will get a hold of you, whether by text, phone, email. We will make sure that you are fully aware of the expectations of our opening days. So here it is. For kindergarten, on Tuesday, September 6th, please bring your child to the school, and from 9 to 11 a.m., your child will go to their class, meet their teacher, meet their friends, and we will do an orientation and parent information session. So you'll basically get all the information on that date. It's almost like an orientation date. On Wednesday, September 7th, there will be no school. However, on Thursday, September 8th, regular school day. So on Tuesday, September 6th, that's the day where you'll be taking your child will take the bus. We will have that planned, but you take your child to school that day at 9 o'clock, and you could stay if you want, but we would like you to stay because we would like to do an orientation and parent information, and that would be a great way to do a tour of the building and to get to really see the building in action. If you're a parent or you have children going into grades 1 and 2, Tuesday, September 6th, it's a regular school day. They take the bus that day. They've already been to school, not that school, but they've been to school, so they know how to take the bus. They take the bus that day. However, you as a parent from 8 to 8:45, we will do an orientation and parent info. So you'll be able to at least come into the building that day, get to see your child's classroom. It's not a parent-teacher interview because there'll be quite a few parents, but you'll get to at least see, and we will do an orientation with you. On Wednesday, September 7th, there will be no school. However, Thursday, September 8th, regular school day. If your child is in grades 3 to 8, on Tuesday, September 6th, there'll be no school. On Wednesday, September 7th, will be a regular school day. However, from 8 to 9:45, and the reason why we're saying giving it a little bit more time is because there's going to be a little bit more parents. We will do orientation and parent info. And that's where you'll get to see the school. You'll get to see your child's classroom. You'll get to see at least an idea of the building itself so that you can get a good sense. And then on Thursday, September 8th, will be just a regular school day. Official day. Now, this is official now. We had it tentative, but now it's official. It will be basically our school day, which is 7:40 to 8:10 was where we do the bus and parent drop-offs. Our day starts at 8:10. The K to 2 have a dismissal at 1:40. 3 to 8s have dismissal at 2:30, and only early dismissal is only for K to 2 at noon on Wednesdays. So I will be doing another video. Remember, I'm doing 2 a week. Sometime we should be posted either Sunday or Monday, and hopefully I'll have a little bit more information. Still, I cannot provide photographs of inside the building, but I'm hoping to have the potential to do that on our next video. Thank you very much, and everybody, and I am really excited to meet your students and yourself very, very soon. Thank you.